In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload file in Notion. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option, then pick your Google account to continue. Once you're signed in and inside your workspace, you're ready to set up a place for the upload. Create a new space by clicking Add a Page, or if you already know where the file belongs, simply open the page where you want it to live. At the top, type a clear page name so it's easy to find later. Click in the empty area just beneath the title to add content. To insert a standard file block, type File. From the menu that appears, click File. Next, choose a File, browse your folders, select the file you want, and confirm. Notion will place a file block on the page with the file name and a download option. This is great when you just need a straightforward attachment that people can open or download without taking up much visual space on the page. There's also a second method if you prefer an on-page preview. Click back in the content area, then type Embed. Select Embeds and click Upload. Choose a file again, browse to it, and confirm. When the file type supports it, like images or PDFs, you'll see a live preview right on the page. This makes it easier for teammates to scan the contents without leaving Notion. You can fine-tune how it looks, hover over the preview, and drag the edges to resize it so it fits your layout. Larger previews are perfect for visuals, while smaller ones keep the page compact. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your files organized in clearly named pages so teammates know where to look. If a file doesn't show a preview, don't worry, it's still available as a downloadable link. Very large files can take a moment to upload, so give Notion a second to process. And remember, either method, the file block or the embed upload, stores the file on your page, so choose the one that best matches how you want people to interact with it. That's it. You've uploaded a file to Notion using both the simple attachment approach and the embedded preview. Pause and replay any section you need, and you'll have your files neatly added to your workspace in no time.